Welcome back our channel Cyber Learn Safely. Welcome day 1 cybersecurity series. In this video, I will cover networking fundamentals. So let's start. First is what is networking? A network is a group of two or more devices that are connected to each other to share the data or share the resources. And what is internet? The internet is a vast network that connects computers all over the world. Through the internet, people can share information and communicate from anywhere with an internet connection. Next is protocol. A network protocol is an established set of rules that determine how data is transmitted between different devices in the same network. In simple terms, protocol is a set of rules. Next is port. Port is an address of a 16-bit integer number. Port range from 0 to 65535, and also port number is unique identifier used with an IP address. There are some common port numbers and their names. First is 20 or 21. This is called FTP, file transfer protocol. In this port mainly work for transfer the file. Next is 22. Name is SSH, secure cell. Then 23 is called telnet. Next 25 is called simple mail transfer protocol. In this port basically used for transfer mail. Next is 53. In this port host by DNS. Next 80. This is the most important port from our website work. This port name is Hypertext Transfer Protocol HTTPS, and last is 443. This is called HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Next is TCP and UDP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. Is a communication standard that allows device and application to exchange message over a network. And other side UDP. UDP stands for User Diagram Protocol, a communication protocol used to send data across the internet. It is a connectionless protocol, meaning it does not establish a connection before sending data, but TCP is established before sending data. Next is three-way handshake. It is basically used in TCP protocol. A three-way handshake is a fundamental process used to TCP to establish a reliable connection between a client and a server before data transmission begins. This handshake ensures that both parameters are synchronized and ready to communication. In three-way handshake, a client and a server. Client send fast synchronized packet on a server, then server reply this synchronized plus acknowledgement packet. Then again, client send acknowledgement packet on the server. Next is IP address. IP, also known as Internet Protocol, is a unique identifier string of numbers assigned to each internet connected device or any device connected to the internet. The address identifies and allows those devices to communicate with each other on an internal or external computer network. IP address basically designed first three number is network ID and last is host ID. Next, IP address basically two types, IPv4 and IPv6. First, I discuss IPv4. IPv4 is a version of 4 of Internet Protocol or IP. It is a current version and most commonly used IP address. It is a 32-bit address. IPv4 is a 5 types of class cover. Class A range is 0 to 127. Class B range is 128 to 191. Class C range is 192 to 223. Class D range is 224 to 239. And last one is Class E range is 240 to 255. Next is IPv6. IPv6 also known as version 6 of IP address. It is a network layer protocol that allows communication to take place over the internet. IPv6 use 128-bit address. Next is OSI model, most important part in a computer networking. The OSI model, also known as Open System Interconnection Model, is an absolute fundamental model used in networking. This critical model provides a framework detecting how all network devices will send, receive, and interpret data. In this OSI model, basically divide on 7 layers. First physical, second data link, third network, fourth transport, fifth session, sixth presentation, and 7th application layer. Next is get and host request. Is the most important part in ethical hacking. What is GET request? A GET request in computer networking refers to an HTTP method used to retrieve data from a server, and host request in computer networking refers to a communication request sent one device on a network to another device on the same network. And last is VPN. VPN, also known as Virtual Private Network, is an encrypted connection over the internet from a device to a network. The encrypted connection helps ensure that sensitive data is safely transmitted. There are some common VPN name. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.